Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present my diploma project. My title for this project is Reef Tank Monitoring using IoT. My name is Shamili Dennis Sadesh bin Shami Sadesh. My metric number is D022010044. My supervisor's name is Dr. Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Yatim. So for the problem statement is coral really sensitive to pH value of water. Uncontrolled temperature of water affect the growth of coral. Inadequate water level of reef tank. My objective by doing this project is to ensure the coral growth at a good rate, to monitor the pH level of water, to monitor the temperature of water in reef tank, to monitor the water level of reef tank, and lastly to ease the user to check the status of reef tank. This is my project methodology. It will start and initialize the sensor, which is pH sensor, temperature sensor, and water level sensor. So the sensor will detect the value of pH by the pH within 7.7 to 8.4 is the best pH for coral. Next, the temperature must within 23 to 29 degree, which is the best temperature of coral in the water, and adequate water level, which is the water level for the reef tank. So all these three sensors the output of these three sensors will be displayed in the IoT, and the user can monitor it through the phone. So the project begins with the system initialize all three sensors, which is pH sensor, temperature sensor, and water level sensor. First pH I use is to monitor the pH of water in the reef tank. Next, I use water temperature sensor DS18B20 to monitor the temperature of water in the reef tank. Lastly, I use water level sensor to monitor the water level in reef tank. The Blink IoT apps will display all three sensors values in the phone. The user will know the status of reef tank anywhere. This is my block diagram. As we can see, there's three sensors, which is pH sensor, water level sensor, and water temperature sensor. The processing device I use is ESP32 microcontroller, and the output will be displayed on the phone, which is Blink IoT apps. The operation of block diagram. The project is an automated system that monitoring the physical change in the water in the reef tank. The reef tank will be set up with suitable pH value of water, temperature of water, and water levels to ensure the coral get all the necessary energy to growth. This project has input from pH sensor, temperature sensor, and water level sensor. For the processing device I use in this project is microcontroller ESP32. The IoT monitoring system will display the status of the reef tank on the database, and users can monitor them through the phone. For the output device used in this project is IoT platform in the phone. So we see the demonstration video that I made.